Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 18, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. Going to talk about XRP for today. Last time we did our video for XRP was on 2 days ago. I think on the 16th of June, of which we anticipated the market in XRP, as you can tell right here, to continue to move to the downside. And we told you in that video that the market in XRP could not break below 42 cents, even 41.5 cents, in order to see the continuation of movement higher. And that's what occurred in the market in XRP when we create our price target. Okay, the market did not break below that 42 cents, 41.5 cent price. But today's a different story. Okay, so if we were to take out our profit for today in the market in XRP, once it came all the way down to 42 cents, we would have been up about 2% in the market. Okay, so that's very good to see that the market in XRP come a little bit closer to what we expected it to touch in our price target area. Okay, so now we could go ahead and get rid of that real quick. And what we're getting in the market, even if I was to get rid of this ascending line, you can tell here as I zoom out that the market continues to reflect to us that 45 cents all the way up there to 46 cents is contention for resistance. Okay, the market for XRP continues to find it very hard to continue to move above that resistance line that we got at 45 cents right here. And the volume for today is definitely coming into the market for XRP. Again, that's a negative thing to see as we continue to see this market trying to continue to push higher in price. So, I mean, really, you can see easily that the market in XRP is just holding a consolidational range like this. Okay, we're just bouncing in between these two lines right here in the market for XRP. Now, granted, we are in a stage of weakness, so you have to anticipate the market in XRP to continue to move to the downside. Now, I do like the fact though that it did hold that 42 cent price that we identified 2 days ago, that it could not break below in order to see the continuation of movement higher in price. The only concern I do see is that the volume is coming in right here at the top of this market at 45 cents in XRP, telling us that there's still a huge sell wall at that particular price that is hindering XRP from moving higher. So with that even being said, the expectation is for XRP to continue to move to the downside. Again, I'm going to hold that 42 cent, 41.5 cent price to be support. If we are able to hold that in XRP, then we're still preparing ourselves to continue to move to the upside. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in a simulated sell position right now in the market in XRP. Now I'm going to hold it around 41.5 cents again. Okay, we are definitely still seeing some indications of weakness coming to the market. Zooming out, you can tell right here that the market is finding some resistance between 43.5 to 44 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and place that right in between both of those places. As resistance. Okay, so I'm still expecting the market in XRP to continue to move to the downside. It can hold 42 cents, 41.5 cents, but then again, with that increased volume that I showed you on the previous chart, we can definitely move a lot lower than that. And actually, let's move it all the way here to 41 cents. Okay, so that would be about 4% move in the market in XRP. So we're going to leave that right there. This is our expectation. But again, it's not a drastic movement to the downside just yet. We're still holding this major trading channel in XRP. Okay, just the current move is one of lower prices. All right, so we're looking for XRP to give us some weakness and a movement to the downside. Not by much though, but again, we're here to give you all the news according to the charts. And right now, the market is telling us that we got a little bit lower to move. We would TP this market at 42 cents, 41.5 cents. That means take profit, simulated profit. Okay, so don't be surprised if the market doesn't hit all the way down here to 41 cents, but that we would take profit at 42, 41.5 cents as well. So this is our thoughts. This is what the market is trying to insinuate to us right now. because another thing is that I saw an article that XRP had a partnership, or Ripple had a partnership with MoneyGram, and that's why we were able to see this massive movement right here on this 3-hour bar in XRP. And as you can tell, we didn't have any follow through. Okay, so that wasn't a legitimate power move to try to push this cryptocurrency to higher prices. All right, so that's why that's another reason why we're seeing anticipation of some lower prices in XRP. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability. Check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com, as well, if you're interested in participating and becoming one of our members, to see how we're able to predict price movement without causing you any confusion. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell as well, because you want to be notified when we upload any of our video content on YouTube, because you don't want to miss out on what we have to say. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.